So, hello viewers, welcome to another video. In today's video is not usually a video that I am reacting to like normal people. I'm reacting to a video that I am in. Yeah, I am in the Pop the Balloon. Yo, this shit is crazy. And right now, I'm going to my honest review. You see me? Yeah, to the whole video, included myself, because when I like really nervous, really nervous for a fall on a big platform. Yeah, you see me? So let's go now the video the right way. I don't know the pretty going on, man. So we just all starting a real life in a real time. I know the code, you know. You see me? Alright.
Bring him in.
I don't know that that's Supreme.
My name is Supreme. I'm a content creator. I do TikTok, I do YouTube. I'm currently in school right now, so I'm a student. I'm in my business.
Dog brawling.
Alright.
Ja.
No, sir, no, Iki, man.
Okay.
Watch out. Hey, take care of a coat.
Icky. He head too big, in teeth too puff. And me don't like his shoes. In pants not going neither.
Judge.
But look at your footwear.
Oh
but
my
I
God.
totally short.
Yo.
Not really my type. Maybe the gym, recommend the gym. Diet, I don't know. Something.
Interesting. Well, can't manage it, just can't manage.
I have a forklift license. I don't know if you want to lift you up with that.
You see if you get a nice with your natural beauty, me walk come to you so. And tell you say me love you.
Novo Pandora.
Before me even get in that video, people, if you're not following me as yet, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. You can find me on all social media platforms. And I'm going to say that the social media platform. All social media platform, the name is DJ Bobajoe, Real DJ Bobajoe. You see me? Yeah, follow me. Big up Rolly so easy, no jokes. I'll make our review because we did it, you know.
Oh, nah, like that feels nice. But I'm Maypen. I'm in Jamaica, people, tropical Jamaica, okay? Maypen, more Ventuno, but more big up everybody who came out to make this video possible. Thank you guys.
Jano, I'm not gonna lie, I lose out on the Clarendon ladies. Them, I know I'm shy. I lose out big time on Clarendon ladies. I'm not shy. You see me? I'm not shy. I don't want that in spotlight. Or, I don't know. I just coward, bro.
You guys so much, okay? Make sure to leave a like. Big up Live Boss for the visual. Watch it, man. When I say when I want the video, I'm Maypen, right? Right? Me want to say right. And then, female when I not show up, Maypen girl them bougie. I saw them stay. I saw them make me waste my time. Yo, big up Brishana Rosette. She really believe in this thing. She tell me, say, Rolly, I'll pay for the toll.
Big up Rolly, you know. Cause despite, I'm not gonna lie, the girls them shy, like Clarendon girls them shy, Maypen girl them shy, brother. I don't know what go on. Female them out to fine, brother. But we couldn't believe that 5 woman dog out of Clarendon. 5 woman. You come like all the 5 woman then a Clarendon. You see me? I don't know what go on with the woman them. Yo, to make it dog is like is a embarrassment to Clarendon to have 5 women out of Clarendon on a big platform like this. I mean, know I honor everyone on the ladies single. I mean, know I honor all on the taken as well. So no could I link up brother on enough with Freda camera.
Toll, I'll pay for the gas.
I wanna do TikTok video on Freda camera. I wanna make Instagram post.
Yes, I'll put you in a hotel to make this possible. People, I just want to go over to our store. She's located in Maypen. She sell the cute thing them. She sell the slippers, the handbag. Very demure. Mindful of your attitude, okay? Maypen, I done with you know. I not come back. Yes, I know. Come on. I venting.
When you make your dog say brawling, your dog say nah fall back. And plug out a charger. Right, the charger and plug out. You make your dog say brawling, say nah fall back. Because of the ladies them not step out, bro. So I wanna link up and say now forward. And then after, I go on. Diva say nothing more.
Me dey in a temper. You see, me not lie. Me a pen on the stress me out. Me not lie. I appreciate you for forward. Thank you guys. All right, to make the video possible now. But females who tell me say Rolly come me attend. I wanna show up.
Tell her dog.
Gotta walk with you know. Gotta
walk with them.
Let's get into the video. Banana
Chips.
Females, it's simple. If the male them walk out, more to know, please, wait until them reach right to say, yeah? When the male them come in, you pop the balloon once you don't like him, okay? All right?
Yo, people, no fees be a pop me getting a dog. Yo, be a pop me get. When no fees go on with Bobajoe upon it. No fees me find a match. Just watch.
You all right? All right. If you like him and you want to bring him home and thing, you keep your balloon, okay? Big up live boss for the visual. Yo, man, I lie, bro. The camera did shake here New York, you know. No, crank up, you do your thing, but live boss, watch you know, man. Big up my bro. You see it? Watch you know. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Watch you know. 200K.
200K.
200 subscribers. I want to thank you so much for subscribing. We're at 200,000 subscribers. Big up, Big Drip Closet. You see it? What they write to say, you see it? That's how we are shoot the thing. Come get on the swag up, people. You don't know the thing, go. God in eye, chips.
Wait there. Please like the video.
Like the video,
Now
the peeps. Like the video.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so females, I'm going to bring in the first male, okay? You guys ready? Yeah. Wanna ready? Yeah. All right, I know when ready. Come on. I never mean for cause me a pen. Them just disappoint me. For real. Them not come out. Who no come out, you know. But a whole heap of people cancel, okay? That's why. All right?
That's fine.
All right, then. Watch now. We are bringing the first male. Wanna ready? Subscribe. Bring him in.
Oh, this Supreme.
Introduce yourself.
All right. My name is Supreme. I'm a content creator. I do TikTok, I do YouTube. I'm currently in school right now, so I'm a student. I'm in a business. All right.
Wait a minute, talk.
I'm going to shot them.
Well, I beat them up
Alright,
on the dog.
What's your type?
You know, somebody outside and the dog step in and I see a whole balloon up. I say, right, you know. I say, right, you know, because you don't know Supreme at the first one I followed in, you see it? I see a whole balloon them popping up for them. I say, right, you know. The whole out there and trouble, you know. Same thing I said to your dog, you know, whole out there and trouble. Look how you girl them pop them balloon on the dog. Body, yo. Same time I say, suppose me step in and all of them pop them balloon how it go.
Brown. I feel boss. Loving your ass up there. I feel pretty. Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah, I feel cute.
Cute.
Like we have tattoo too.
Tattoo?
Yeah.
You like tattoo?
Yeah, sit there, they make me jump. You see me?
You like a girl with tattoo and thing?
In her back and sitting.
Oh, back leg and thing?
Right.
Jeez,
Alright, baby.
Alright, so we got some pops. So we'll find out why them pop the balloon, okay? Who you want to start with first?
Browning.
Browning?
Yeah,
Can you like browning?
Browning, papi first.
Okay. Alright, hold on. Come to the side, eh? Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Nikki, I'm just too short. I like guys 6 feet tall.
Jano. Nikki say dog too short. I mean, not lie. Supreme taller than me. By a bit, you see me?
Taller
You want to look up to a man?
preference, yeah.
So you say me the taller you da?
Yeah, if you did that,
You
probably.
love half your soul, man. Touch one time, man. Alright, so.
Alright, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Him get a 9. 9.5. Yeah.
Maybe step back for me. 9.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, me. Like,
Yeah, you get a 9.5.
9.5.
You may
Yeah.
expect a 9. Like on
Yeah,
2 and
nice.
3.
You're just too short.
Alright.
Alright, what you like about him?
Oh, him dress. I love full black. You're just nice.
Thanks.
That. Yeah, you look nice.
Alright, what you think about she based on her appearance?
Wow. Beautiful.
Whoa.
She look good. She brown, she have tattoo. Me love that. Or the bird. She look nice.
Thank
like.
you.
She look nice.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Nice. 10. Me give him a 10, man.
10.
I give him 100 if they funny, but me give him 10.
Alright, good. I come down to this side. Come to the side. I'm going to hear name why you pop the balloon.
Shella. I pop my balloon because obviously you're saying like light skin with tattoo. Me very dark. Plus, you're just slim. Nothing wrong with you.
Shella
You
pretty
just-
too, you know.
Yeah.
Nice
like-
dark skin
Too
lady.
slim.
Yeah.
Right, me understand
Give
that.
yourself in a Shella.
Alright, how much based on him appearance? How much
You
did I
know,
rate
how
him?
come your IG never drop?
Me da rate him 8 in clean. Me nah lie.
Thanks, baby.
8 out of 10.
Feeling myself right now. Alright, thank you, baby.
Alright, what you think about she based on her appearance?
Nice too, man. Me like her. Black man. And you know, say, me not go tell her like the type, but I put black in it too. Me not go tell her like.
You just said brown though.
Remember, me mind ain't that cheap that time there. But yeah, me like you look nice.
Right.
Nice, man.
Yeah? How much did I rate her? 10?
7.5.
No man, you just say.
No, that yeah, 7.5. But that me say more than. Me say honest
Okay.
thing, you know, so.
Alright, you
If
good?
she brown, me good at. Good.
Alright.
You look
Hey,
nice.
dog, I want someone.
Alright, your name, why you pop the balloon?
Davine. I just bought the balloon because, you like girls with tattoo. I don't have any tattoos.
Nah, tattoo, yeah, good man. Christian type shit. Yeah, Christian?
Yes.
Alright, holy.
And you look kind of young.
Me a 19, man.
Oh, okay.
Alright, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I like the one coordinate with the black and little white. 9.
9.
Oh my God, they love me. Happy.
My, you.
Sabi. Alright. Like that. I'm gonna give you one. Feel nice. Give you one 7.5.
7.5.
Okay.
You good with that?
That's fine.
I love you, man.
What you like about her though?
Just tell her 7.5. She look nice.
That never
You like 7.5? That may I ask
Yes. She does taller than me. I like her with taller than me. If you're taller than me, if you just feel like me, have to look up to you. I mean, I look up to no man. You have to look up to me. So, you know. But otherwise, you look nice.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Chang is young.
He's young?
Yeah. I like older guys.
Yeah, but him same age.
You was
last,
Chang.
like, we are
Chang
down the line.
like the older guys.
Understand.
One thing we say with Chang, I like with Chang have tone of voice. Like before she say she name Chang, I could have say yo, you know say she come like some Chinese, Japanese, like a female. You know what I mean? Yeah, dog.
Understandable.
But how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
My 8.5.
8.5. Thank you.
What do you think about her appearance?
9.
Thank you.
You look nice.
Thank you.
You look nice. My face say that look nice without the makeup. Cause me not really like makeup if a girl don't tall. Although she have a makeup, you still look nice, but me not like makeup. My face say natural beauty. Nice, see me. You see if you can nice with your natural beauty.
I real my son.
Me walk come to your so. And tell you say me love you.
What kind of what that?
That's coming.
Oh, me that's that. Yeah.
I don't mind what.
I pop the balloon?
Kayla.
Yo, Rolly say what kind of what that? You see that what there? Supreme tag a what there? Or what the name? Supreme walk. Supreme walk. Supreme walk. Supreme walk, dog. No jokes.
Well, you say like brown girls and girl with a volley for ass and them stuff yeah, them lock on them there.
Right.
Oh, you lock on that.
You know Kayla tell lie. Kayla have a little sexiness with her. You see me? She sexy in her real life. No, look who you. You see me? So when she says she don't have ass, she capping. She capping. She capping, yeah.
Buy him a lot?
What? No tattoo, no olive ass, not
Alright.
brown.
Understandable. Understandable.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
Give me 9.
Thank
Like in
you.
drip.
Thanks. Bro, me
Nine.
pops, bro.
Me just a ask.
You just
Me
look
just
for me
a-
like
me
this,
just
you
a-
know. Me know you two look for me, so but me
Okay.
yeah.
So, but based on fair appearance, how much should I rate her?
6.5.
Not bad, not bad.
You like that?
Can go on.
So you like both her?
She can go on, you know, is that you should know. Well, me not go say nothing about that, but it was revealing.
Okay.
You see me? But otherwise, you're alright.
Or revealing?
Hey, I chest plate up here, so. Yeah, could have fixed up. But otherwise, you know, a girl, so. Now go kill her for that.
Alright, so everybody pop their balloon. You know what you have to do?
Walk with grace.
Walk with grace.
Alright.
Wait there. Please like the video.
Supper, you hear that dog. Walk with grace.
Thank you. Saddam G. Alright,
Oh, this is General.
Introduce yourself.
Good night, lady.
I'll tell you something about a dog, yo. You see that a dog, a hombre, a far dog come from the door over there. The dog now come for a clarinet, the dog now live a clarinet, brother. But big up yourself, bad G. You see me? Big up yourself. Yeah.
It is, thanks for coming out. I'm Akeem. What my age?
Yeah.
29, I'm a forklift operator, also an entrepreneur.
You know, say whole time in the evening, you know, say dog. Come and say, dog, I want young, you know. The dog, I brush 30 to plastic, like that.
Alright, not bad. What's your type though?
I don't really have a specific type, you know, but someone that looks good.
Somebody
Good
that looks
qualities.
good?
Yeah, has good qualities as well.
Alright. What's the ideal first date like?
It depends on the person too. So I don't know if you want to go on a picnic, you want to go to the river. You know, I'm very adventurous still, so it's on the person as well.
Depends on the person. Say you really would have asked.
So I have to adjust myself to that. So.
Oh, okay. Alright. That good. Alright, so we'll never get a pop today.
Sounds good.
Dog, I go on good one.
Yeah.
Alright, so all I'll have you to do, I'm gonna make you have one of this.
Okay.
And you're gonna pop 2 female balloon.
Yeah.
What the
How would that?
hex?
So we have a pop.
Shell a pop our balloon.
No, well, I forgot to find out why she pop her balloon, okay?
Let's go.
Alright, come to the side, right, so. Why you pop the balloon all of a sudden?
My name is S.H.A.R.E. I pop my balloon. Nothing wrong with you. I like you. You make me giggle. Something about you, but you give me 2 pics for pop balloon and I can't afford you to pop a balloon for me.
So why you think I would pop yours?
I don't know. I just not give you a chance.
Given insecure.
Okay, I am insecure then if you say so.
Fair enough.
You just not go pop for me.
Oh, so once him in control, you know, like.
No, that not gonna work for me.
I probably would pop it still. Yeah, I'm
We
not
just-
really into the
The blouse and skirt, that make you brawl in the dogs, I probably would have pop you.
shot out here. I need to get a line up and you need to get a fade.
No, I'm
I
not
don't
feared,
wanna-
baby. I finger wave this.
So what?
Finger wave.
Oh, I don't know what's that. Moving on.
Okay.
Alright, so based on him appearance, how much should I rate him?
But I get 1 still.
7? Why 7?
I don't know, I just feel like you might try to get slick with me. I'm gonna like that ball line up, fade.
Him just
Be honest.
him just probably I said just because you have a low hair, so him think you're actually like a good barber also.
I just have to be honest as well. But me just could give you opportunity for pop for me.
Oh, that's your reason. Okay.
Eh.
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
She's not ugly. It's just the ear for me. Just the ear.
Just the ear. So how much?
Yeah, and the attitude as well. Like, why would you want to pop it because you think I'm gonna pop yours? It's kind of crazy. But
Okay.
anyway.
So how much
Seems
should I
petty.
rate?
Very petty. I don't like that.
How much did I rate her?
Let's say a 5.
The dog give her a
I say
5.
me petty.
Dog
Okay.
give her a
5,
5.
I get a 5. Good.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, come on to this side, Muji. Alright. Walk with grace for me, please. Alright, so we're down. Back where we started. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a chance to pop 2 female balloons based on appearance.
Appearance.
Yes.
Okay. Ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
But dog I go for brown in them.
Alright.
Brown in them,
Find
dog
out
are
why I
pretty.
pop them balloon. She first. Yep. Your name?
Devine.
Alright, so why you pop the V.I.D.E balloon?
She's not ugly. Just the body. No, not really my type. I don't want to make too much comments. I don't want
The more
to trash talk me on the internet. But no, I don't know. Maybe the gym. Recommend the gym. Diet. I don't know. Something.
Interesting. Well,
Okay.
Just not my type.
Chat to my dog. Chat no dog. Dog saying would I recommend the gym? But not. Dog, did you say that, bro? Did you really say that, dog?
Type.
Alright.
understandable. But the gym, you just can't manage,
Well, I have a forklift license. I don't know if you want to lift you up with that.
Bumbleclot. Dog, I don't know, man. Dog, I say. So literally, he be a say. If in dog can't manage it, he just can't manage it. Dog, I tell her, say, you have a forklift license. So that not mean nothing. I'm not that easy. I'm not come for planet Earth.
Well, I'm an ex-cadet. I can throw you over my shoulders.
Okay.
Sounds erratic. All right.
Alright, hold on. So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I say she's actually pretty. It's just the body. So
Understand.
yeah, maybe a 7 for the face.
Well, seems like 7 is my lucky number tonight. Well, you look alright. Chain is nice.
All right, thanks.
Your face don't look bad. Look like you used to smoke though.
You say what?
Look like you used to smoke.
I do smoke.
It's a solid 6.5 for me.
6.5?
Yeah, because I'm recommend the gym or something, and that was just not cute.
I'm just saying you should try to be healthy.
I am healthy.
Yeah.
I just said I could throw you over my shoulders. I'm strong.
Okay.
I am
all right.
fit.
All right.
I also think I'm big boned. Thank you very much.
No, I know a lot of girls are big, but it's just the shape.
Yeah.
The shape.
Alright, so you rate him already?
Yeah, 6.5.
Yo, you do a visit, good you do a visit. Big up yourself, dog. You're far for the pan up there.
Alright, let's go. Alright. Come right here first. Yeah. Alright, so your name?
Kayla.
Kayla. Why did you pop Kayla balloon?
Just not my type as well. I wouldn't say she's ugly, but a bit tacky.
Bumbleclot, the dog says she tacky. Dog says she tacky.
I don't know.
Tacky?
Yeah, like the eyebrows. I don't know. They're chopped too much.
I know disrespect dog, but dog I want nerdish type of vibe, you know? Me like so the girl them shave out their eyebrow more while. Z-Pre, no jokes.
It's just giving tacky for me. So.
Okay.
Oh, just because her eyebrow kind of have slash?
Yeah, and then the gel is a bit much too.
Yeah.
Ready to invest in real estate but don't want the hassle? Look no further and
The whole
join
time,
Smart
the
Crowd.
dog.
Invest in Dubai properties and enjoy
The gel.
Right now, the dog did there. The dog and notice her, if you know, where for rate her. People, If you watch the video, if you head over to Roll channel, please don't skip the ads. Watch the ads, isn't me? Don't follow me. Watch the video already. I'm gonna rewatch it again because I react to it right now.
It's a bit much too. I don't think that the crop top thing goes. I don't think it fits her. I don't.
Dog.
Alright. So how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Maybe a 6.
1. He head too big in T too.
Damn, he dog jar out and now. Me care back over a party.
Crop top thing goes. I don't think it fits her. I don't.
Alright. So how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Maybe a 6.
1. He head too big in T too puff. And me don't like his shoes. His pants not going either.
What's wrong with it? Sorry, my shoes.
I don't like it. For yourself, she do. Me don't like it.
But look at your footwear.
Well, your shoes does not give it.
Buckland. Dog say, look at your footwear. Ice boss. I have video every day, dog. I just zoom in on her foot, dog. People them and say, yeah, good on for that. Let me care back.
What's wrong with it? Sorry, my shoes.
I don't like it. For yourself, she do. Me don't like it.
But look at your footwear.
Well, your shoes does not give it. I'm a lady, you're a man.
Oh, mine looks better than yours.
And?
Alright.
Alright, so you give him a 1?
She said 1.
Give him a 1?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. To this one. Your name? Oh, why you pop your balloon?
I'm Chang, he smokes. I don't do well with smokers.
Why?
I have lungs problem.
Oh, you have a lungs problem? Oh, well, I wouldn't have to smoke around you.
I don't want you to smoke.
Okay, fair enough.
That's it.
Okay, alright. How much should I rate him based on 1 to 10?
He's very calm. I give him a 9. You are?
Give him a 9.
Mm-hmm. I'm not overdo nothing.
What do you think about that?
I'd say a 9 as well.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 9?
She looks decent.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Alright, I succumb to this emoji. I say everybody without a balloon, walk with grace.
She said what?
Huh? Alright, so we're down to 1.
Okay.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now,
now?
we're gonna find out if this is a match or not, okay?
Alright.
You're gonna ask him a question, and he's gonna ask you a question, any question. And based on the answer, we're gonna see if it's a match, okay? Alright? You go first.
You have kids?
Yes.
How much?
1.
Are you in a relationship?
No.
Anybody in a relationship with you that thinks she's in a relationship with you?
I know people think stuff like that.
How much?
1.
Are you in a relationship?
No.
Anybody in a relationship with you that thinks she's in a relationship with you?
I know people think stuff like that.
So, a bird asks the dog, say, if anybody in a relationship with him, we think they in a relationship with him. Like, continue. I don't even know if it's a...
Him did not talk.
Yeah.
No answer then. You should have just say no.
No, but I'm not in a relationship. You asked me that.
But when you go, I ask if somebody thinks they're in a relationship.
Yeah, well, I
you
don't know
go
what
go-
people think, so can't answer that.
He must say him can't control people thinking.
I love the way that you deal with my friend him.
Oh, they're
Yes,
friends?
yeah, not really, but we are female, so.
Well, being honest?
No, not being honest. You just like you're edgy, like you just a look for something to find a
No,
fault.
I'm just saying it like it is. You want me to say?
Yeah, you could have just said, but you not fi tell the girl about her slippers and.
She said something wrong with my shoes.
No, you said something about her slippers first.
No, she did. She said my pants, something wrong with my pants.
But it's
something wrong with my
okay, you look
shoes.
nice.
Thank you.
How much should I rate him?
You get a 9.
Alright.
Yeah.
What do you think about her appearance?
She looks alright.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her an 8.
Yeah? Why 8?
She very pretty, you know.
Just 8?
Yeah.
Alright with that?
That's fine.
Alright then.
Opinion.
Alright
You
then.
don't like that?
It's fine.
Okay.
Alright, so we never have a match today. So walk with grace for me now. Alright, so my G.
Yeah. Still searching.
Whoa. Still searching.
Yeah, that's the way it is. So, alright.
Probably you see man on next Poppy Balloons still know me now, like, you know. I remember that dog, I don't underestimate him, you know. They may travel miles to get a girl.
Alright, so you know what you have to do.
Yeah. The lineup kind of.
Huh?
No, the lineup was a bit.
It's a bit what? What?
So like your dog I say the lineup was stupid. I don't feel say dog I say right as well.
Walk with grace.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Go.
Okay. Alright.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Watching a man, people. Brishana Rosette. Have the cute, elegant thing, them, the slippers, the handbag. If you want an authentic handbags, bags, slippers, sandals, you know what to do. Brishana Rosette, okay? Located in Maypen. Wanna know this? Right? You know? Yeah. Alright, you know the place. You know the place. If you want to come down when you meet a match for the first time and you want to come out, which part you forgot? Brishana. That is it. Bring in the next meal for me now. Bring him in. Alright, females, we can't wait until him reach right here, sir. Wait, please. Wait
Dog
until
I
him reach
step
right
in, you
here,
know.
sir.
Killer that, you know.
Come right here, Summer G.
Yes, sir.
Right here, sir. Alright. Introduce yourself.
Well, you don't know correct name my agent, but everybody call me brother. See me? Active.
Alright, can you me that talk? Yeah, what you say? Correct name?
Adrian, but everybody call me Bercy, you see me?
Okay,
Yeah,
alright.
Dogs. The dog say everybody call him Percy. You know the whole time I think say a Percy dog name. How we did them I say a Percy dog name. And then you know say that
A long partnership with the nipple them from it all that time. You see me, I say?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
What's your type though?
Me?
Yeah, what's your
I
type?
work with type again. I energy me I work with.
let me show you a pre. Two of the dog one, the dog them, the dog. You know, certain vibes, dog them kinda hot for brown in them. Cause they say brown in them, hot for we. Way for up on the video. Like brown in them, it's like I work as a team. That a way dog them did a suspect. You see me? So that literally I go and make it dog a more certain way I say. And vibe. You see it?
It's as if I energy not match mine. We're not gonna baby girl. I see it to God.
Alright, so the energy important. Alright.
Run with type and get hurt too much time.
Definitely.
Job for your granny pressure pill and some style.
Alright. Alright, so we got few pack. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
No problem.
Alright, who you wanna start with first?
Miss World down a corner. Brawling.
Miss World.
Dog say Miss World.
Come to that side. That side, emoji.
Yeah, my G.
Alright. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Nikki, I'm gonna pop the balloon because when you do that talk, you have like one girly attitude, and I'm not really like that.
Woman, a girly attitude na there, man. I just so life go everywhere have them tick a bush, you see me?
I understand, yeah.
Brawling.
Because when you do that talk, you have like one girly attitude, and I'm not really like that.
Woman, a girly attitude na there, man. I just so life go everywhere have them tick a bush, you see me?
Because when you do that talk, you have like one girly attitude, and I'm not really like that.
Woman, a girly attitude na there, man. I just so life go everywhere have them tick a bush, you see me?
I understand.
Yo, when the dog found out and say he said three girls say every who of them take a bush. Yo, dog. Big condition.
Brawling. Active. But she look nice still, you
Tika
know.
bush, me not know that one there.
Yeah, every who of them thick bush, you know. Brawling.
Okay. How much should I rate him based on him appearance?
7. Yes, I get a 7.
Why 7?
I mean, I could have put a little bit more effort in that outfit, but it still look nice, it mature, but that's all.
Cardan college big footballer, you know.
See, you do that thing there again.
Wow.
Who know it big up.
No, ma'am.
That thing there, I know that thing there. Yeah, I'm finished.
Next candidate.
Hold on. Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
In a brown like me still, but that give her 8. Not more, nothing less. You active.
8.
Face card now decline. A man out there for you. Brawling.
What are you? Alright.
Okay. Alright. Come down the line. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
It's Chang. I popped the balloon because you seem like a feminine.
Huh? What that?
Him seems who?
Feminine.
What you say?
At first when you came in.
Yeah, the dog not easy, yeah. Dog for
Seems like a
you know, me should have a vlog. Like I interview dog before me left the place. Should I interview dog him as they step out?
feminine.
Huh? What that?
Him seems who?
Feminine.
What you say?
And you were talking with that.
Nah, yeah. What you say?
You're not hearing? Yeah, give off a girly
What you
vibes.
say? What she say?
She say you give her like a feminine vibes.
Well, that are those fear feelings in a charge. You get me? I say, fear feelings, when I go over that, we can't fight her. So God create you, and everybody, you go love everybody, but just know, say, you're active.
I understand.
So, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
He seems cool. I would give him an 8.
8.
What?
8.
Yeah, man, that's alright, man.
Good with you?
What you say, bro, man? Active, man.
Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
Jesus Christ, help me now. Mama, me I beg you 360. Be a look 90 degrees, that's so. You see what I go on there. Choo. Yeah, man. I'm gonna lead, man. That gear look nice, look at 10.
Thank you.
10.
Thank you.
But I get pints sitting, you know, but I you go on with yourself too much.
Oh.
Yeah.
Find something like.
Yeah. Oh. Believe me.
Alright.
Go on, sir.
Alright, so come down to the side here. Alright, so female that pop the balloon, walk with grace for me now. Females that pop on a balloon, walk with grace. Alright, go over to the side. Alright, my G. Now, you have the option right now for pop a female balloon. Because them never pop the balloon on you. Good?
Yeah.
Alright, so give me a pick. So what I'm gonna ask you for though, pop one female balloon based on appearance. Like, she does her appearance, you know, like her appearance.
That way I look like ceiling for. She's like, you know what I'm saying? You say she, you know, guess what I make a pop for her balloon.
You have to pop it then.
You see for you, S.H.A.R.E, see how you turn me off, man.
So the reason why,
She not confident in herself, bro. You get me, see how you start look up nice ceiling. God know they up there. But no disrespect, no violation. Somebody there out there for you. Brawling.
Alright, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
5.5. Yeah, man.
5.5.
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about him appearance though?
He's alright. Kind of coordinate a bit. Look like he used to bleach, so no.
Him look like him used to bleach, so no?
Yeah, him knuckles them. He has a black and then he has a brown and something.
Black and brown. It's a fine lifestyle, baby. So we just touch down. I want to table bleach.
That's fine.
You're mad.
I said it looked like I never said you were.
Oh.
Okay. Alright, so how much did I rate him?
4.3.
Oh, 4.3.
No, man, yeah.
Good.
Me not have a problem. She graduate me all peace stuff.
Alright. So we get our next
Jaja.
pop. So I forgot to find out why, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, come to that side there.
Yeah, G.
Alright, so why all of a sudden you pop the balloon, but you kept it, you know? Why?
I don't know, it's slim.
I'm not here.
It's slim. Slim, yeah. And you give off one girly vibes for real. Like sassy. I'm not say gay though.
You can never say that, my friend. I'm mad. But continue.
Yeah, that's it.
That's alone true.
Yeah.
She Alright, so how much did I rate him? From 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give him 1.7. Nothing I doing.
Nothing I do.
Yeah? Yeah? Alright, so use up the mic, my G, based on her appearance. What do you think about her?
Cha-cha. Turn around, man. Where you look at? Teach you me love big body girl. How much you give me?
7.
Me I give you back your 7.
Alright.
You're like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh what?
Eh?
I don't know.
What you say?
Okay. Cool. Alright, come to the side. Alright, so why all of a sudden?
You could have 1 million followers and still not be able to pay your bills.
Instantly
reply
easy,
to
you know.
every comment, DM, and story.
Easy.
Or let people comment a keyword.
Cha-cha.
You're like, oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh what?
Eh?
I don't know.
What you say?
Okay. Cool. Alright, come to the side. Alright, so why all of a sudden you pop the balloon?
Basically, you sound very judgy. I like people judge. You look like you smoke, and you look like you drink, and that's just not my energy of type of
But
guys.
smoking and drinking have nothing to do with a male or a female.
Well, it's a lot to do with me if me I go there with you.
What do you mean by that?
You know, the dog I say a girl that a Christian type of girl. And that girl that even broke why you believe in the dog that standing where your dog at talk about. But no me I catch your dog I say.
Because I don't like people who smoke and drink.
Some of you put for my feelings.
That's how I put my balloon so you don't have to waste of time.
We not wasting no time, my friend. But we don't have smoke and drink. If I'm
Okay.
lying, I'm dying. And we're full of ambition too. We're not just Crawford smoker. So nobody watch it black clip and he rate it. You understand? But God
Alright,
it
so
still.
how much did I rate him?
Me and putting yourself together, I'm gonna give my 8.5.
Fair enough.
Alright, so what based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
You see, true, you pressure me about me drinking and me smoking. And how much may I give? 8.
8. That good? That good?
Yeah, that good.
Yeah.
Lucky you get so much.
Alright, come to that side, MG. Alright, so female that pop the balloon, walk with grace for me now. Alright, my G, you never get a match today. You know what you have to do, right?
Yeah, bro.
Walk with grace for me now.
What grace there? Which one are my grace? Oh.
Banana chip.
Yeah, your dog easy at
Sean
all.
Rosette, I just want to slippers them. I not like my girlfriend birthday I come up and I forget the blue one. But I don't know if I want the red one or the blue one because it's cute and the next one demure. But the next one cute, see. I'm confused on the price. No, girls, I don't know, I have life easy. Because on the price, them man, it reasonable people. Check them out now, man, me pen. I know the location, everything the writer say. You see it? Bring in the next mail for me now. Alright, female, we'll wait until him reach right, yes, sir?
Right, ladies.
Come that side, eh?
Dog, that's it.
Alright. Introduce yourself.
Alright, my name is D.O. My occupation is roofing and ceiling.
Oh, up. Roofing and ceiling, you hear that? Dog, put on roofing on people.
Okay, alright. Shout out to social.
10s to 57 on the TikTok.
No problem. What's your type though?
My type is just a normal, a cool, nice girl with a nice personality, you see me?
Oh, so no type of physical attraction?
Because she can be cute and still problem, and she can look so good and I still problem the same way because the personality matter, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright, so it no may I ask her like she not have to have a different like a size or she look? No.
Personality.
Personality.
Yes, sir.
Alright then, no problem.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we got to pop.
Yeah, man.
We gotta find out why she popped the balloon.
Yeah, man.
Good?
Yeah, man. I'm go for man.
Alright, let's go. Your name, why might you pop the balloon?
S.H.A.R.E, I'm pop my balloon because they bleach. I'm like, if you lick off my significant other, so bleaching cream in my mouth now gonna make sense.
Damn. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Boy, you look nice. I like your clocks, the clocks clean. But your bleaching is a no.
Alright.
Yeah, you like lick off what?
My significant other, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
But I give him 1.7. It clean.
Alright, cool. Thanks.
Yeah?
Iki that take over?
No, sir, no Iki, man.
Okay.
Take care of a cut.
Iki.
I gotta tell you the truth, people. It's a icky, is it? It's a icky. Yeah, dog. I want a icky, dog. Real icky. Only thing I treat dog is a plaster and cover that ass. Is it?
Iki that take over for
No,
you?
man, no Iki, man.
Them want to see the cut.
Iki.
Yeah?
Iki.
No, let the camera see the cut.
That your dog getting from a whole time.
Just make the camera see the cut.
The camera.
You see there. Okay. Alright then, that's it. Alright. So how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 7. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Cool.
Come to the side. To the side. Alright, your name, why you pop the balloon?
Kayla, first reason why you can't show me cut, and basically when man like una van them de I icky the pan your neck and you too giggly.
What do you mean by?
You did you laugh all the you can't show me cut, and basically when man like una van them de I icky the pan your neck and you too giggly.
What do you mean by?
You did you laugh all the old person and showing the cut. We take off and show your cut is not a problem and put it back on.
Cool.
You can't ask him how him get it.
Oh, you get it.
Oh, me get it?
Yes, you get it. You see me, I tell you? Giggly. No, sir. Baby, I laugh. Oh, you get it?
I know Iki, man.
So what?
I cut me get for real, man.
So, you get the cut? Somebody stab you in your neck?
No. I sing cream, man.
Uh-huh?
I sing cream, man.
So?
Some create me. This
Yeah.
morning.
No, more for him.
Alright, so based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
I like King Clarks. Kind of like your sweater, so I give you a 7.5.
Alright.
But I get more about that something they just not really and make it happen.
Oh, so if him reveal it, him could I get more?
Yes.
What you do, Maji?
Make it see, man.
Alright, sorry about that. Alright, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
I give her a 6.5. Reason being because you pants kinda, I don't know if you say, but you not look good.
Her pants?
Eh?
Her pants, you not?
You know, like, she could have put on one different color one. I like that color there, honestly. But everything good otherwise, isn't it?
Alright.
Alright. Nothing to say. Alright.
Alright, come to this side. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Chang. That have me aware.
What?
I feel like I'm tell lie.
Okay, I feel like you might tell a lie. So how you da get the truth all the time though?
Can pull it off. So one more day.
Which one more?
Yeah, that's
I know Iki. I know Iki for real, man. You don't believe?
Oh. Bro, if I icky na bro.
I know Icky for real, man.
Okay. How much you rate him from 1 to 10?
8.
8? But Icky,
Take care of everything else.
based on her appearance, what you think about her?
But I give her a 9 still. She look good.
9.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, cool.
Alright, on to this side. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
Devine. So I popped the balloon because we wants to the cut and feel like a liar tell and hair bleach.
Alright, cool. Cool.
So, how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
Yeah, I like your sweater. I like anime, by the way. So yeah.
That nice, man.
8.
8?
Yeah.
What you think about her?
She alright, me give her a 7.
7?
Yeah,
Out of 10? Why 7?
No reason, just I give her a 7, isn't it?
Alright. Come to this side, Machi. Alright, so every female without a balloon, walk with grace for me now. Alright, come down to this side. Alright, so it's down to 1. What I'm gonna ask you guys to do is ask each other a question. Forget to know each other. And we're gonna see if it's a match or what, okay?
No jokes.
So who will go first? Who will go ask the question first?
You say dog, I take a real answer.
Alright, so if me fi carry up on a date, what would be an ideal first date?
One nice restaurant.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, I like food.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, cool.
Alright, what's his question?
If you should take me somewhere, where would you take me?
Me know financially up like that, but
Am I rolling? Am I rolling?
so you like a man financially up like
I
that.
mean, yeah.
So
You have to have your thing together.
What if you know it's a joke, man, and the dog no mean that. Dog no mean that. J-Dog wants to see if a gold digger or not. You know? Literally. I really met the dog. You see me?
I mean, me have my stuff together, so you have to have your stuff
So
together too.
let me ask you a question. I can ask her a question really. So say no, say me I make like a 200,000 every 2 weeks, right? But things get slow, right? So because me no financial, when things get slow, would I really live in that situation?
If we're in our relationship and then things get slower, I'm not gonna just left because we did in our relationship and relationship have them ups and downs. But
You know, financially low still me there, this is still but cool.
so I go.
Yeah man.
And that's something that
Okay.
throw me off.
Yeah man. So
What throw you off?
That tape up on him neck. Feel like I want icky underneath this still.
You feel like a icky? You feel like I'm icky? Bro, we can reveal it and show them because people are gonna say icky. Just show them saying icky.
No, but look, you know, really, if me say, I know icky, right?
Yeah.
And I cut it.
Yeah.
Does it, why so hard for someone to believe, say, I know icky? If me in
Okay.
a relationship, right? And if me I tell her, say, I know that. And she go pursue, say that. That will cause problem. Allow me I tell?
True.
Alright, cool.
Oh, so your sister a problem from the start.
Not really like that in here.
Okay, alright then. How much should I rate her?
That give her a 10 still, she cute.
Based on him appearance, what you think about him?
But I give him a 9.
Whoa.
That's something there. You lose a mark for that man.
Yeah man, I say go man.
The cut.
Yeah. If I never that, I'd get a 10.
If you never have the cut, you'd get a 10.
Yeah man. I say go man, I see me.
Alright then, so you know what I have to do, right? Walk with grace. No! You walk with grace first. I don't want to know walk with grace together. So my G, never get a match today. So walk with grace.
Yeah, me go. Respect, yeah.
Yeah, my G.
Active.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, people, we there a big drip closet, you know. Guess what going on? Big up my G. We're there and we are use the space. Wanting to forward out, come show him some love. Any bad drip, you don't know them have the bad polo, the bad thing, them, the bad shoe, everything. You see it? If you want to come out tough and neat, big drip closet. You see it? Send in the next mail for me now. Zip it up, yeah. Zip it up, yeah. 200K. Yo, me not like my people celebrate. Nobody not even pop the champagne for me. You know, hard work. Yo, we as a team, we work, okay? Mama get 10,000 likes for this video. Me a pen. Me don't know. Tell me if me a pen I give you the me a pen. Me a pen and a play a pen in a but them I do that. Send in the next mail for me now. To that side here. Alright, introduce yourself.
Night. I'm Bobajoe, known as One Din Din. Yeah.
Alright. What type of work you do?
I'm an auto mechanic, but I'm self-employed at the moment.
What's your type?
Don't really have type, I just go with vibe.
Vibes, so you don't have a physical type?
No.
Vibes, personality.
Vibes and energy, dog.
Personality, you have to rush things, you know? Things take time, you know? I don't want to go to rush things. It never work out.
What's your good, like, ideal first date?
Well, come as you are, as they say, come at church. I not just have to impress nobody. You have to close me now. I just see it and say I'm interested, like anybody else.
Just you know, like.
Yeah, but me, I make them know the 100, isn't it?
Yeah. Alright. Oh, so you say come as you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't take kind of liar no petty fake self. I don't like anything there.
Alright, so we got one pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
That's okay.
Alright, let's do this. Alright, come to the side.
An upcoming makeup artist slash esthetician, and the reason I put my balloon is because you just look like you never put no effort in your attire.
As I was saying, you came in my pen today for the business. You just jump out of my yard. If you go back home, but my friend them come in here, so I'm just tag along. You understand?
Yeah, you said that after I pop my balloon.
I mean, everything is yard clothes, darling. Everything. See there? You know, just so you can't kill me for
the
one.
reason.
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Based on what I'm now, 1.5. But you seem nice. But just the attire 1.5.
Right, thanks.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Five out of 10.
Yes, really 5 out of 10. How much more you
Yeah,
get?
right with that, man.
Alright, so based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
She can go on, but she's way, I tell life and day one. He is a 7 or a 8. One out of 2.
Which one?
Give her 8.
What you like about her?
Her complexion, well, you're not afraid to chat in mind. You know what I mean? Thing. I like girl who talk anything come off of their mind, bro.
Alright, that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, ear one pop. Alright. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
S.H.A.R.E. I'm gonna pop my balloon because it's so tiny. You're so small.
Mama, you have to go ask God why you do that.
You're so small.
Him small?
Yeah.
You know what you mean? Oh, like...
Slim body type. Yeah.
So you like slender?
What?
That's slim, slender body type.
No.
Alright, so based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
I like you one age ring, but I get 1.7. Nothing wrong with you.
Thanks.
I feel like you look cute. But
First
you're
impression is
slim.
everything, so I'm sorry, I come out like this.
No, you're alright. Me, I come from work. But
look nice, same way.
think period.
Which is right.
Yeah. Alright, so how much did I rate her based on her appearance?
See me yet, man. A nice girl, them.
Thank you.
Me up I come from, so I can't downgrade the girl, them, you know? Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, come to this side. Oh, got one more pop. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hello, I'm Chang. You're little. In your body type.
Him liquor?
I'm tiny.
Can't do nothing about that, bro.
Him just look tiny? I don't understand. That I want code?
Jaja.
He's little, I like him thick. Oh, I like him and thick.
Yeah, I'm tell you everything. Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, you like them more muscle.
Because, you know.
So much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
May I give 7.
Thank you.
You're too comfortable.
And me, I give whole 10.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 right there, so.
10. What you like about her?
Everything.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright, come to this side, Muji. Alright, so everybody without a balloon, walk with grace for me now. Alright, so you have a chance right now to pop a balloon, but before you can ask a question before you pop it though.
Okay. You still at school?
No.
You smart?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Look, I can't tell me lie. Me like she said we, cause me age group. Me can't pass me on that same way, you know?
So if we can find out why you pop her balloon. What's your name?
Devine.
Alright, why you pop Devine balloon?
Devine, you're just big army.
Okay, no problem in that.
Alright.
Yeah, and plus, do you smoke?
No.
Oh, you look like you used to smoke.
Used to. Yeah, stop now.
Okay, that's fine. I'm just big bone and I'm happy how I am.
You like it, but not my type, you know?
That's fine.
Love every woman, but one is mine.
Make up yourself.
So much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
You're a 8 too. Same way.
8. Alright, what do you think about him based on him appearance?
He's okay. He's a nice face. Clothes-wise, I didn't come out of the house. Just business. I'm not gonna judge him on that. I don't think I threw me off as a one earring.
No,
So
when me are 2 months, my auntie from Germany boy. I know my part.
oh, okay, that's nice. 8.
8.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Out of 10?
Yeah, 8 out of 10.
That's good.
Back to she over here.
Alright, walk. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait?
Let's say I go on, peeps. Let's say I go on.
Thank you. Alright, so what you say now?
I ask her why she pop the balloon.
Why you pop the balloon? What's your name?
Kayla, reason why you son of like judge for me, but don't like saying tell a girl say him big that I feel something come out. So like if me put on weight now and look big and does now got him, it might gonna make me feel insecure. So that's why just the way come out say girl does big.
What you say about that?
I'm okay with that. Cause if you tell me I'm slim, I'm not gonna find no fault. You just hold me still. No one nobody big at me, so you're gonna kill me off.
Alright, so how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
He's okay, he's nice. Although you're not your clothes, but I give you an 8.
Thank you.
8.
Same amount for you.
You don't give her 8?
Yeah, cause we said nation, so I'm gonna pick up here.
Nation?
Mix the two away.
Mix?
You see the ear?
Indian parents, nigga mother, nigga father, one of that too.
What one are Indian?
Nigger father,
Well,
Indian
nigga
mother.
Oh, to one have Indian mother and nigger father? So, one could have been a match then? Oh, you pop your balloon. Walk with grace for me now. Alright, so my G, you never get a match today?
Yeah.
But you know what? Walk with grace.
Which is right, bro.
Fully my G.
Right.
Thanks for liking the video. I saw that.
You know where code go, you know. You know where code go. Yeah, you know where code go. You see that youth your next. That youth your next. So, I completely all rate myself.
Saw that you liked the video just now. JB Design. Big up number G. Any flyer, poster, any design, graphic design, JB Design is it the baddest thing around town. You hear that? Watch on man. We are sending a mail right now. You ready? Yeah. You ready? Ready. Oh my gosh, come on. We singing or we singing?
Singing.
Alright, come. Send him in. Bring him in. Alright, come to this side. Give him. Come to this side. Alright. Introduce yourself.
You don't know, the name is DJ Bobajoe. Yeah.
DJ Bobajoe.
Yeah.
Alright. What type of job you do?
You don't know, I'm a digital marketer. I'm a entertainer.
Yeah. 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 People. I tell you, I know somebody want to come introduce myself, you know. But me don't know what I want my father. It's like when me step right there, so like my brain just wipe out. You see me? And it's not like me not used to immediate. It just like my brain just wipe out. Like no know the me even forgot what me I say. Me just catch like me not even know about what. But my face, me just feel me know me shake it so dog. And that's somebody to introduce myself, isn't me? No jokes. Nervousness did that kill me there, so. Z free. So let me continue. Me just step in a place so you don't know the name is DJ Bobajoe. I am a digital marketer and a entertainer. And you get here. David don't say enter. Me just say enter. Me do say tain upon it. But let's go.
Alright.
So one cat about so far.
Yeah. That's all.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. What's your type though?
Okay, my type is a lady that have her head on her body. Yes. Know what she wants, goes for what she wants. And a female that I feel comfortable around.
Alright.
Nah, I'm telling you. I don't know if you don't see how something there go on, you know. I don't know if you don't see how S.H.A.R.E go on. There's some. You see me? But just train nervousness, dog. Just train nervousness. Nervousness, I beat me, dog. Can't believe say I be that nervous there, so. But, you know what I say what I want to say? I say I want that lady to know what she want. And what me can feel comfortable around. You see me? See from my video? See from my video drop? Yeah. Me da meds me ex them still, but I be a shares a show. I be a word that drop on social media about dirty Bobajoe. Yeah, me ex them a cuss me off. I ex a cuss me off. I'm not gonna say me ex them. I ex a cuss me off. I ex a just a. I don't know she a try look hype too. She a try look hype off of my name, you see me? But you know yourself. You see it. You know yourself, mama. And big up yourself, see how you try look hype off a DJ Bobajoe in yourself. You see me? That's why I say, like, when there three go social media with my relationship. You see it? That's why I say I want a lady I can feel comfortable around. Can't take crosses them no more, bro.
So what's your ideal first date for a match? If I get one?
My ideal first date, I think, is like go to a nice restaurant. Get to know her a bit more. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright then, my G.
S.H.A.R.E, why you pop, S.H.A.R.E?
Father.
Dude.
Alright, so we got some pop?
Yeah.
We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay? Who you want to start with first?
Alright, start with her.
Her?
I never see me once. Me not gonna lie, I never see me want start with this, but you know, I never want to jeopardize nothing. You see me? Never want to jeopardize nothing. Cause the whole time, like me tell you the truth. When me forward one venue, me forward her location, she was the only girl I saw. And I literally wanted to go talk to her. You see me? Cause I don't know how I get this in the street back in the time. You see me? And I see her there and we did all talk to her. We did all look her for the time. But I didn't know say I video she have forward, you know. But me see her location and we did all go over there. But me I go and notice her first, see it. But they don't thought this funny, but you know me they want jeopardize no, so me just not send none. Here there because me realize that she kinda look quietish. So me did a prayer. Is it? Did a prayer. Sorry says she bust her balloon stills. Is it? But you know, but just make up my mind before me fall in there. Could ask the dog them. Make up my mind and say anything when me get. That's what I'm working with because I know who you want you get 3 while. I know who you want you get. You see me? So you just have to work with what you get and I think I would work with what I get. Is it? You know? Yeah. So me not tree have a type like that unless she know what she want and them thing there. But you know, I did a prayer, but she bust her balloon, is it? Bust her balloon. So let's go.
Your name? Your social?
Kayla, I'm a social Odessa, Instagram Odessa, TikTok.
I'm roll it back.
Who you want to start with first?
Odessa, I don't know why you bust a balloon, Kayla.
Hold on. Your name? Your social?
Kayla, I'm a social Odessa, Instagram Odessa, TikTok. Kayla_unlimited.
Alright, why you pop the balloon?
Your height.
My height?
Yes, just a
You know, Kayla, can't believe you popped the balloon because of my height. My height, you know, brother. I mean, I know, man, the girl I always see my height, you know, arm a little bit taller than the girl. No jokes.
height.
Too
short. But can I do
too short? She said me too short. Jaja.
you like short guys when I didn't time to run up?
Balloon?
Your height.
My height?
Yes, just a height.
Too
short. But can I do like short guys when I didn't time to run a one part? But now you just have to be a little bit more taller than me.
Trying to get a tall youth and one that's more short youth.
But you just have a different buzz.
What?
But I don't think you're taller than me. It's because of your slippers.
Good way.
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
9.
Thank you.
9 out of 10? What do you think about her appearance?
Well, I like her naturalness. I like that her ears are not bored as well. Yeah.
But you know, to be honest, I like her naturalness real, is it? And she never her natural hair and everything but her ears is bored. But me don't know what it hell me got chop or me like that her ears is not bored for. What else for brother? We just want to have a sentence. Fucking idiot.
Yes, I like how natural she is. I think I'll give her a 9 as well.
Her ears bored though, but she don't have any ears ring.
It doesn't have to give that away, that's true.
Alright, cool. Alright, 9.
Yeah.
Alright, no problem. Go down the line. Alright, come to this side, Maji. Alright, so yeah, I move faster, my man. Alright, so your name, your social?
S.H.A.R.E. S.H.A.R.E's makeover and Shenila _.
Alright, why you pop the balloon?
First of all, you're saying I like girls with their ear bored.
I didn't say.
I quote. Yes.
I didn't say I don't like. I say I like that her ears is not bored.
Okay, but my ears bored, so we are.
Naturalness.
Okay. So you don't like me then? My ears
I'm
bored.
not saying that I don't like.
Anyways, me like if I say dark skin, you know, you're ugly. You just look like one cute little pear, but
Yeah. Until now we can understand this word Shella. Shella's a bit ugly. Be ugly. Like damn bro. Ugly. You girls them always like say they love me. That means some teddy bear. Literally dog. Until now I can't believe. She said that I'm gonna play back.
So you not like me then? My ears
I'm
bore.
not saying that I don't like.
Anyways, me like you fox say dark skin. You know, you're uggable. You just look like one cute little pear, but no.
Him uggable?
Yeah, ain't uggable. Like, yeah. They look a cushion there. Ooh.
So,
No. Me don't know, something about you.
just different?
Yeah.
Like, what, too nice?
Yeah. No, you're not too nice. I just feel like you're not my type. Me no find it attractive. Like you would turn me on. You get me?
Really?
Yeah.
The thing is, I don't know, but something is that we just catch, like, it just shy in front of the camera like a weird, I'm just nervous. Me a select enough father. And moms I say, shoot, mode to turn her on. She don't know something else. Although me some entertain because females normally think that DJs, selectors are not liars and we are players, which we ain't. You see me? Once you find the right one, DJs don't play woman. We play music, you see me? Yeah, play music literally. So when EBS so I wonder if she knows some selector. Talk of one. You see me? And plus me artist, me sing song. We know if we turn on. We know if we make the pussy wet up. I just show dog, me don't know what go on, just nervousness. Make my mind kind of blank out, dog. You see me? But let's go.
That's a one.
You just say him uggable.
Uggable, but me feel like you would have turned me on. Yeah.
What you say?
I like.
No, she said something. So me ask if you have nothing to say about that.
Well, she said she think that I wouldn't turn her on. I think you're praying differently though, but just leave it like that.
Okay.
If we did ever whisper in her ears,
But I get 1-7.
when that pussy don't want wait up.
Yeah, thank you.
Based on her appearance, what you think about her?
I like her shape.
Period.
I like her shape. I like her height as well. Yes, I think I would give her 8.
Like that. That turned me on. That turned me on.
So yeah, did wrong then. You say
No. I'm never wrong.
You might be wrong.
I think you should think again as well.
But you gone bad already.
Alright,
you know.
let's go down the line. Your name, why you pop the balloon, and your social.
Nikki, the face girl Nikki on TikTok and Instagram. I do makeup and lash upstairs National. Inside Diva store, so you can go get your lash done and your makeup done and get the wigs done. Anyways, you look nice. The only reason I pop my balloon is because you just the physical attraction just never did it. Like me have to see you, from me see you, me have to just can't imagine myself all over you. So and just never did it.
Physical.
Attraction, yeah, just never did it.
You just never did it? Oh, so once you see him, you need for.
Yeah, can't just picture myself with all over you.
And you not see that picture there? Alright, so based on him appearance, how much you rate him?
Give him 8. 8.5, yeah.
Alright, not good.
Yeah, thank you.
What do you think about her appearance?
Her appearance is magnificent, I would say.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's magnificent. I think I would give it like 9.5 though.
Okay.
Yeah.
9.5?
That's fine.
That good?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so we got a last pop. Alright, come to this side, Muji.
Chang, can't believe your puppy balloon. Jaja, God, Jaja. But yes, we there, no dog. Yes, we there. Chang puppy balloon. You see me? Yeah, she puppy balloon. So let's go.
You pop the balloon. Why all of a sudden you pop the balloon? Your name and your social?
I'm Chang. I'm a socially strong one. I'm just not attractive to him, that's it.
Oh, he's not? Oh, okay.
I don't have no problem with you. I'm just not attractive to you.
And it takes so long to pop the balloon.
Did I wear my mind?
Wow.
Okay. That way, man. So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
8.
8.
8 good?
Yeah.
So based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Her figure is nice. Yes, her figure
Thank
is
you.
nice. I think I don't know, but I'll give you a 8.5.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, so literally, I don't know why I give her. Like, when me that say, I think that I'm dead after me say, give her a 8.5. I don't know. I don't know why I give her 8.5 though. Just a guess. Just want to know mom in my mind and just guess and beat out. You see it? Be yourself, Chang.
All right, come to this side. Everybody without a balloon, walk with grace for me now.
And we are right here. We are right here. It's unbelievable. Yeah. Your boy.
All right. All right, so we have one person without pop. Come to this side, Muji. All right, so what we're going to do right now, I'm going to allow you to ask him a question, and he's going to ask you a question, and we're going to see if it's a match or not, okay?
Okay.
All right. So what's the question for him?
Why you only pierce one of your ears?
Okay, so the reason why I only pierced one of my ears, my left ear, is because I don't know really, but I think I only want one of my ears pierced, and it is only my left ears that can be pierced. Because if I pierce the right one alone, then say a Batman style, and you don't know.
Okay.
I don't play those games. Yes, sir?
I understand.
Brawling with it, dog. Brawling with it. Left ears for pierce. If only one ear is a pierce as a man. If you pierce the right one alone, Batman style that.
Yeah.
Understand? Question for her?
Okay, so my question is for you. What make you unique?
Well, what makes me unique is my personality, I guess. Outspoken, total drama queen when I'm ready. Yes, I might look shy, I don't shy. Can be very outspoken. And my drive, my passion.
Like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, so is there any more question for her? Or you want to ask him any
one
more
more question. What's your job?
Well, I have a small business.
What type of small business?
I bake pastry.
Okay.
Yes. And also security officer.
Okay.
All right. Any more question for him?
Using AI to create a song. Just go to S.H.A.R.E,
Nah, ram dog.
type in your prompt,
You
and hit
feel
create.
is a match? You feel your boyfriend a match? You feel your boyfriend a match?
All right. Any more question for him?
Do you smoke?
No.
Yeah, that's it?
That's it.
That's it for you?
Yes, that's it.
All right, so we're going to ask a big question right now, okay? Okay, guys. So I'm going to ask, is this a match for you?
Why you never ask him first?
Okay. Is this a match for you?
Is it a
Yes,
match?
it's a match.
It's a match for you? All right, so is this a match for you?
I'm not sure.
Sure.
What do you mean?
One more question.
Before, we know?
Dog. All time
All
I'm
right,
thinking
one last one. Normally, that would have been the last question I asked, you know. But let's make an exception. Exception. Can't go? Smart one. Good. All right. What's the question?
Why is it a match for you?
I like how you answer the question when I ask what's most unique. I like that you stand out. You're outstanding, and I like the
I
drama.
was to say outspoken.
I like the drama, not a lot though. But you know, I love spice and them way there. Isn't me? I love the fun of it. Yeah.
All right. We're gonna ask it back again. Is this a match for you?
She a thinking of dog. All the time, I say I gotta embarrass myself in a dog. All the time, I say I embarrass myself.
It's taking long.
Not a match.
Huh? It's a match? It's a match? We have a match! Yeah! All right.
Guys. It's my match. It's my match. So people, if you don't want if you do content, like if you don't want to see me on her, you just subscribe, like up the video, follow the socials them. Yeah dog. If you don't want me and she, it's me. Anyway, cool.
We have a match, alright. So our first match.
If you don't want to see the possibilities, if you don't want to see the future,
Rosette. Alright.
If you want me
on
video,
behalf of Brishana Rosette right now. She's giving you this. Is our first match. This is for you. I just want you to big her up. I don't know something cute in them. I know something nice. Right? Just big up Brishana Rosette.
Big up Brishana, thank you so much. Well,
first match.
In actuality, I didn't really came here to find anyone, but I guess, you know, something may have sparked.
Sparked, yeah!
Yeah.
We can't get the hug. Yeah! Alright, so walk with grace together for me now. Walk with grace together. Hey, whoa!
It's a girl Devine, majestic_Marie21. Hit me up on TikTok or Instagram. Yeah, just be yourself, guys. Feel free to come on the show. You know, I'm all about body positivity. Just keep it cool, love yourself, and live God. Big up Rolly all the time.
200K now, man. That's why I find love out there. Yo, I'm just being happy in this. Loving the people. Guess what going on? Big up on yourself for support. Big up Brishana.
I'm gonna go live over TikTok some other time. You see me? So you can check in on the people. Yeah. You know cool.
Rosette, okay? For the cute demure thing them. Check out our store now, man. Pen, know our thing, Lord. Make them know that the thing mad. Alright, send in the next mail for me now. Send me in. Come. Introduce yourself.
My name is Jaime Dixon. My social TikTok. Star got 39.
You made a talk. Who not even catch that? Continue.
My name is Jaime Dixon. My social is Star got 39.
Alright. What's your type though?
Type. Look for a hardworking girl.
Just use up the mic.
Look for a hardworking girl. A girl with, you know.
A girl with what?
Dog nervous, you know.
A girl with.
Dog nervous of Fred, brother.
Alright. What type of work you do?
I'm a security.
Not bad in that. Not bad. Alright, so what's your first ideal date though?
First ideal date?
Yeah. If you get a match today, where would you take her?
Take her on a date.
Dogs to take her on a date.
Like a dinner.
Oh, like a dinner?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got one pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright, come to this side. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
The first girl Nikki on TikTok and Instagram. I do makeup and lash upstairs National in Diva's store. And the reason why I put my balloon is because I don't like the whole color we are going, like pink and the jacket. I don't love the outfit.
Something outfit.
I don't love it. I don't love the shoes, I don't love the shorts. I don't love the jacket, I don't love the shirt, I don't love the
So what
tam.
you say?
Just flat, nothing.
So what you say? That way you're not ready.
And then your opinion, you can't kill up on that. You can't kill up on my opinion.
More no OA designer, okay? Designer come like
Well, they're
I mean, I'm my own designer. Why you're a designer? Because you look like ink pan nail.
Okay.
I'm my own designer.
Your own designer?
So I put everything together myself.
So what you call it mismatch?
It's shades of brown, baby. Monochrome. Monochrome. Brown, brown, brown. My bag of brown. Monochrome.
I wonder if you on a zebra that kind of.
What's it?
What do you?
Why different between you and a zebra? Because if foot kind of dark, your face brown, your foot so I'm wondering.
Listen. Nobody get petty with me. Because you're not ready.
Start a language learning journey
Yo.
with Duolingo. Designed by experts,
Oi,
Duolingo's
dog,
app
I'm
helps
over
you
there.
practice the speaking, listening,
Oi, dog, I'm
reading,
over there.
and writing skills you need to achieve your real-life goals.
Listen. Nobody get petty with me. Because you're not ready.
You're not ready now.
You're not ready, none at all. So back up. Hang up and catch up. I don't know where you go with them shoes there. That the shoes that wear from what?
25
or
francs,
for? That don't make no
funny.
sense. You don't make no sense right so. You don't make no sense, Papa.
I get a rich look, I get a poor look. A rich look, I get. Nah.
No boy, you don't look good.
Alright.
Really, take him out of
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
my teeth with him here. I'm favorite Pepto-Bismol.
How much did I rate?
Pink.
If you a zebra,
How much did I rate?
1.5 black.
I say you go, babes.
How much did I rate
You
him?
ready?
How much did I rate him?
Scale? Yeah, negative scale.
Based on
Come back.
her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Not about look. When I look.
Alright.
Ja.
We're not here, yeah? Mike. Alright, come to the side. Okay, come to the side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Kayla, reason why is because I argue too much and I don't like people who continuously argue. Not saying something wrong with you, it's just the argument I don't like. Let alone.
So much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
What? I don't like pink. Like 8 because too. Personally for me, girl I like pink. But just feel like pink too girly. But yeah, 8.5.
You not like pink?
But I don't like pink. Pink too just too girly.
Alright. What do you think about her appearance?
Alright.
How much did I rate her?
No, you're 8.
8 out of 10? Why 8?
Just proper.
I just like it.
Yeah. Neat and sturdy.
Alright?
Yes, really. Alright.
Alright. Come to the side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
I am Chang. I popped the balloon first, you slim, as I said before. But because you're arguing with her, I mean, I like that. I just feel like you're going to do the same to me. You should have just leave that alone. Okay, now everybody can voice their own opinion. You don't have to answer to it.
Cha.
Understand? Everybody have their own design or their dress.
Remix
and
in a Chang,
you can't
remix
tell them
that up.
that's yours. That's it, nothing more.
That's all. How much did I rate him?
Because him come out, him not care what nobody wants to say, give him a 9. You do your thing.
Alright. What do you think about her appearance?
They just good still. Plus, I like the bandy legs, so I give her a 10.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, so come to this side. Alright, so every female without a balloon, what could grace from her? Alright, so we're down to 1 right now, okay? Alright, what we're gonna do right now, you're gonna ask her a question. We're gonna see if it's a match or what, okay? Alright, what's the question for her?
Where you do for a living? Where you do for a living?
I'm a makeup artist. I do lash, I do wigs, I do man hair, ponytail, yeah.
That's it? You good? Alright, so any question for him?
Where you do for your living?
I'm a security guard.
Oh, okay.
I'm a security guard.
Okay.
Alright, so if you saw her in the streets, in the road pass her, would you approach her?
Yes, I'm approach her because she's properly groomed and the way I want her to be. Properly groomed and the way I want her to be.
Alright. You that give me a number?
Yeah, I'm gonna give me number.
Same thing with me too.
Alright. So, any more questions you want to ask him?
You like me?
Yeah, I like you.
Yeah.
Any question for her?
As I can say, if she loyal.
Yeah, me loyal. Yeah.
Hey, you laugh, sir?
Me always a laugh.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to ask a big question right now. You ready? Is this...
First.
What do you mean?
Ask him first, because me don't want to say yes and he say no, then me have to pop a balloon and be paid.
No, man. We're going to ask you first. Is this how much for you?
Yes.
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Honesty. Is this how much for you, Muji?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Is how much for you?
Yes.
As we have a match?
Period.
We have a match?
Yeah.
We have a match?
Second match in the second match.
Alright. So we have a next match. Alright. So we have something. We have one more thing. Alright, so on behalf of V.I.D.E.O Rosette, I give you this package. You don't know she not getting one a normal something. Or something demure cutesy. You know? Yeah. So you don't know. You're set.
Me said.
You're set.
First of all, me do makeup, me do lashes, me do man hair, me do wig install, me do ponytail, and I am located in Bishana store at Maypen at Stark Street.
This a corruption.
No.
No?
Me never know say she a host this. Me didn't even know say me I get.
She's one of our awesome sponsors right now.
Okay, big up Bishana, period.
Alright, so who needs a match, right?
Yes.
Alright, so who got the match though? Yeah! Alright. Walk with grace together. Walk with grace. Mama, you share that chair? Yeah! Yo, come on. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you a lot for watching to the end of the video. I love you, okay? Big up on yourself. Big up Live Boss for the visual. Big up my assistant. Crank up. Be a gala. You know?
But you see, before we done the video, I got literally react to at least 10 comments. You see me? Like, react. Because you know, from me today, me have the answer for some of them questions, you see me? So, quick and fast. Line up. And this I want to forward for more. Andre Prince. Line up now ready. Disgrace on me pen, yo. You know, a lineup is this is the first parish we have 5 females, isn't it? 5 females for up on the show out of all 14 parishes and overseas. I don't like emotive. It's me tell her them a clearing look away females them. You see it, look how you really look real bad. I don't like it. And it's really a disgrace for Clarion if you say Clarion full of woman and only 5 can pop out and show up. You see me? So literally it's a disgrace, not punish show or line up. Because then when darling forward, darling can't cancel it. Darling forward a foot early. Remember no girl link up and say yo them all circle on the circle. Literally, you know. Check out our next comment. I like the me pen accent. Me have to go get me a pen, get a me pen man. Jaja. This a person Darnila. He say I feel like this and this an accurate representation of me pen. Like that. No go so. Me a pen full of girl, but I don't know how I go on. So person Teresa, you should have forward. She has said she should have come, but she too facing. This person said the lineup not that bad door, roll it, but next time you need to good a little bit more extreme. You see pre. Literally roll it there. I live on Mapen town Saturday. I try to find female for forward on the show. You see it? No jokes. Good woman really hard to find because the woman here don't make no sense. Miss Chang is so soft spoken, humble and polite, and even everyone was rating her 10, it didn't affect her ego. There we read Miss Chang 10. Alright, so that's it, peeps. I don't know me this react to a video. Pop the balloon on me there now. I say I can react to it with my dog. I make my dog talk and it's true to him feel. Because right now I feel so I shake it on it. But at least I find a match. Yeah. Find a match, you know. And we'll see what I go on. You see it. And if you don't want to keep updated, just follow my social medias. Yeah. Big up on yourself.